Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video I'm going to show you how to generate a PDF file using Python 3. Let's get started. Let's start coding. Before, I want to introduce you to one of the beautiful packages that converts text to PDF file. That is FPDF is a package name. To install that, type pip install FPDF and hit enter. And there we go, successfully installed, and the version is 172. I'll clear this. I'll go to my TextMate. I'll save this empty file as text to pdf.py. So from the package what we have installed FPDF, I'm going to import F particular module or class FPDF. Let's take a variable, say FPDF is equals to, I'm gonna assign FPDF. This by default show up the PDF in portrait mode and the page style, page format in A4 format. So after I'm going to add a page to it. To add a page, you just want to type pdf dot add underscore page is a method which adds a page into PDF. After adding page, the next thing we need to do is we need to set some fonts to our text. So to do that, type pdf set underscore font. In this, it takes two parameters. So first one is a font style or a style family, font family. It is like a Times New Roman or Arial or anything you wanted to give. For now, I'll take Arial. And size of the text, I'm gonna take it as 30. So that's it. The next line is pdf dot, I want to create a cell. So say it contains where that text, position of a text. In here, first parameter is going to be a width, and the next parameter is going to be a height, and then third parameter is going to be a text that we wanted to print on the screen. A fourth parameter is going to be whether we need to cut the line or the line break, and the last parameter is going to be whether it's the left align, right align, or the center one. So first it is a width. Blindly I'm taking 100, 100 is a width, height, and our text is comes with this like txt, and write whatever you wanted to convert this text to PDF. Say welcome to Vothla Coding is my text. I'm going breaking this line with, that is the ln is a parameter, and the last one is a line, and it is going to be C. That's it. Final one is output. It takes just one parameter, that is the PDF file name and the extension. I want to give it as text to pdf.pdf file. Save this file, go back to the terminal. I'm in my desktop. I'll call Python interpreter to execute my file pdf.py. Hit enter, and there you can see it is generated. I'll just double click and open it. Let's see what we got. And we can see welcome to Vothla Coding. Okay, this has to be a line. Maybe I did some wrong in this stage. So I'll make it 200 for now. I'll save it. Let's say whether it overwrites that file or not. Okay, I'll double click this. Something went wrong. Wait just a minute. I'll double click. Yeah, there we go. Welcome to Vothla Coding. This is This contains one page, and text to PDF is a file name that we have given in our code. The width from here and the height from here, so you can just check it by changing the value inside a cell method, and you will get to understand what the exactly these parameter does and the importance of these two parameters. So that's all about today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you like this video, give thumbs up and keep subscribing. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.